Coins and combo plans. Aside from the servers for unlimited analysis that are part of the subscription plans, Chessify provides even more powerful servers for deeper analysis. We have up to 1 BNS servers, which is the highest speed available in the chess market. If you open the analysis dashboard, you can find the different speed options for Stockfish, ASM Fish, and other engines as well. All servers faster than 100 MNS can be used only via coins, as they offer dedicated speed. This means that they allow only one user at a time. We have multiple servers of each speed, so you should be able to rent them whenever needed. If you want to use these dedicated servers, then you'll need coins. The coins can be purchased separately from the subscription plans. In fact, if you don't want any of our website features and unlimited analysis, then you can scroll down our pricing page and buy coins without subscribing. Just use the scroller or type the number of coins you want to get and click on the pay button. Now, if you're not sure about how many coins you need, you can use our calculator from here. Let's say you want to use the 300 MNS server for 80 hours. Type 80 in the hours field and see how many coins you need, which is 96,000 in my case. As you can see, LC0 is also here. You can use the engine at the rate of 10 coins per minute if you don't have the GM plan, so try different combinations to find your perfect number of coins. Since many of our users want to have access to both the dedicated servers and the other website features, including unlimited analysis with shared speed servers, we have created combo plans. These are a combination of the amateur and master subscription plans and coins. As you can see, we have 3 options for combo plans, 1 with amateur and 2 with master plan. Just like the standard subscriptions, the combo plans too offer monthly and yearly options. We don't have a combo plan with the GM plan, but if it is something you're interested in, please contact us via email.